Hi, this is Namrata from Modern Plastics TV. We are here at Die Mould India 2026 event. This is here at Nesco Goregaon Mumbai. We got an opportunity to meet Mr. Amol Arun Mane from Cimatron. So, sir, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to have few words with you. We would like to understand something about your company and all the products that you have.
Yeah, sure. So Cimatron is an integrated CAD/CAM software, which is meant to provide an end-to-end solution to mold and die industry for design and manufacturing. So we provide workflows for mold and die design and manufacturing from concept to reality. We are part of intelligent manufacturing division of Sandvik.
So, what are the company's future plans and how do you look at it down the line 10 years?
Yeah. Our goal is always to provide an end-to-end solution to our customers, mainly to mold and die industry, and we want to have our products, by joining forces with group companies within Sandvik, and provide our customers a solution at every stage in the workflow, from concept to reality, from design to manufacturing. This is our vision.
And how is this exhibition helping you?
Yeah, I think since we are primarily addressing the mold and die industry, I think Tagma is the mecca for mold and die, and we have everybody here from the entire mold and die ecosystem, from design to manufacturing, and I think we are integral part of that value chain. So it's interesting to meet, customers, prospects, partners, resellers, even some students who want to learn more about this. So there cannot be any better platform for this, for mold and die, people who are focused on mold and die industry. And we work very closely with machine tool builders and cutting tool manufacturers, because when you are looking for a best finished mold or die, ultimately there are three main factors. It is machine tool, cutting tool, and CAD/CAM software. When these three parties work together seamlessly, or when they synchronize with each other, you get the best outcome in terms of the finished mold or die. And all are here, and we are also a part of it.
So, how is your company contributing towards mold die and this tooling industry?
Yeah. So we have always tried to add value, not just as a software, but partnering with our customers, helping them to improve productivity, efficiency. And recently we have launched this particular product, which is called Super Finish. It's a new technology, first of its kind. We have unveiled it here. In traditionally, when you consider mold manufacturing process, typically for optical lens molds or automotive lamp molds or high gloss interior finish molds, you need a mirror like finish on the mold, and you have to do a lot of finishing after polishing for getting the required finish, and that manual process takes a lot of time and effort, and still you don't get there. We have launched this technology using which they can get this at minimal effort, and the need for polishing is almost zero or minimal. That will help them to improve the cycle time and also the quality of surface finish. So we are interpolating the tool path by continuous geometrical curves instead of straight lines. That gives smooth surface finish, smooth continuous tool path, more tool life, and best finish.
So, what message you would like to give to the industry and the people?
Message, I would say that for the mold and die industry is how can we focus on making use of the technology available, and AI and machine learning is also revolutionizing the whole world, and I think we are not behind in this. So I would sincerely encourage the mold and die makers to make use of this technology which we are offering through our products. Of course, we are, we are not there 100%, but the journey has started. So I think adoption of new technologies to improve product quality, efficiency is the way to go.
So I'm really thankful to Mr. Amol from Cimatron to give this a wonderful opportunity to meet him and to discuss few things. So thank you so much.